Okay, y'all, so my chickens are finally getting into the spring thing of laying eggs pretty regular. And after today's collection, it was decided that I've got to clean the nesting boxes because they ain't that clean of an egg, and I don't like washing my eggs because it wipes the bloom off. So with that, we got to clean out the nesting boxes and put clean bedding on. Okay, and in here in the coop is my messy boxes, but I have to wear a mask if y'all don't see me, because, well, first off, I have asthma and I have an exacerbated cough right now due to a flare-up. So, you know, you need to cover when you're doing chicken coop stuff anyhow, because breathing this in gives you things like histoplasmosis and all that nasty crap. No pun intended with that. So anyhow, it's hard for me to breathe, but we got to do this to be safe. But clean these coops out. Anyhow, and this here, I wanted to point out, I do have a chicken going birdie, meaning she's wanting to start sitting on eggs. And a sure sign of a birdie chicken is a big coop. And the first time I saw that, I thought there was something wrong with my chickens and it was fixing to die several years ago. So with that, I freaked out, did some research, and talked to some other chicken people to only realize my chicken wanted to be a mommy. And with just getting eggs and it still being so cold at night, I'm not particularly fond of letting my chicken sit on eggs yet. So I am going to control that and not let her have the eggs. But like I said, I saw one big poop yesterday. But not all the boxes are bad, but some of them are pretty grody. So with that, I'm just going to scrape them all out and clean them real good. And then get them replaced with new bedding. Still get cold at night, so I'm going to leave all of this bedding and everything down here on the floor, because everything in here allows humidity to develop, and that helps keep the chickens warm at night. So, I mean, look how dirty this one is. That one's a mess. This is one of their favorite boxes. That one's a mess. So, I definitely have to clean them, but definitely not have to breathe this in, because it will make me very ill. Make anybody very ill. So, always try to wear a face mask covering. I feel like a bandit, like in the Western movies where train robbers, or on cowboy days when you had to ride in the back where all the dust was kicked up at. So, but definitely struggling to breathe through this thing. So with that, I'm going to hurry up and get these boxes cleaned out, and then we'll put new bedding in. I got 17 hens right now in incubator loaded, but those will be a while. But I'm getting about 12 eggs a day with the 17 hens, so yeah, it's not great, but it ain't terrible, so we'll take it. Okay, see, look how dirty this here nesting box was. It's just polluted with, and for safety measures and better lighting, I did open up the window there to get airflow and light in. But I will close that back because, like I said, it's still getting cold at night. And, like I said, I won't clean this coop out until probably sometime in April, honestly. And when I do, this don't go to trash. This goes straight to compost in the garden spots and all that. Because this is like loaded with nitrogen and everything like that, which your garden will love. So with that, I just wanted to point out that I opened the window and that box was super messy. And no wonder my eggs is dirty and I'm having to wash them and put them in the fridge, and I don't like that. Okay, as far as bedding, you can see I had straw in there. This here's wood shavings. Whatever you have, use. It don't matter. They'll lay in it. They'll lay in the dirt. They'll lay in the grass. You know, they ain't picky. It's just, it's easier on us if they got something in the bed, because then the eggs ain't getting busted and broken up and stuff. But this here's a real fine wood shaving. I'm just going to add it to the box. I'm also just going to scoop it because, well, it's easier work. They'll adjust it in here how they want it. Ain't gotta be super full or nothing. But if it's soft landing for them, the egg, you ain't gonna get so many broken eggs. And definitely don't want broken eggs. So with that, I'm just gonna finish filling up all these here boxes. Put this here bedding like so, get nice and clean, and then hopefully tomorrow when I come out, I got clean eggs.